In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a class schedule in Canva. If you've ever felt overwhelmed trying to organize your classes or just want a creative and visually appealing way to keep track of your schedule, Canva offers a fantastic solution. Stick with me as we walk through this simple but effective process of creating a functional and eye-catching class schedule. To begin, you'll want to start by visiting the Canva website. You can find it easily by typing Canva into your web browser's search bar. Once you've landed on the Canva homepage, direct your attention to the search bar that prominently sits at the top of the page. This is where the magic begins. Type Class Schedule and press Enter. Doing this will reveal a variety of templates that are specifically designed to help you achieve your goal. Now, Canva is renowned for its vast repository of templates, so take your time to browse through these options. Each template offers a unique style and layout, allowing you to pick one that matches your personal taste or specific needs. Once you find a design that strikes your interest, don't hesitate to click on it. This will lead you to the template's main page. Here, you'll notice a button labeled Customize this template. Clicking on this will whisk you away into Canva's editor. This is where you can really start having fun with your design. In the editor, you have the chance to personalize every detail. Whether it's changing colors, selecting different fonts, or tweaking more specific elements like adding or adjusting content blocks to fit your class timetable, you have complete creative control. Editing the text is quite straightforward. Simply click on any text box to make changes and adjust it to reflect your class names, times, or any additional information you wish to include. Don't forget to explore Canva's extensive range of font options. They can help ensure your schedule isn't just informative, but also visually appealing and uniquely yours. Once you're satisfied with the design of your class schedule, it's time to think about sharing it or saving it for convenient access later. Look towards the top right corner of your screen to find the Share button. Clicking on this unveils a couple of options. You can opt to share your schedule directly with others or proceed to download it. If downloading is your choice, Canva offers multiple file types such as PDF and JPEG. Decide based on how you plan to use your schedule. Simply click Download, pick your preferred file type, and hit Download once more to save it to your device. And there you have it, your very own custom class schedule, ready for you to print or keep as a digital copy. Thank you for joining me today as we journeyed through creating a class schedule using Canva. This process is not only practical, but provides an enjoyable opportunity to infuse some creativity into organizing your classes. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. And as always, happy designing!